Okay, so I'm going to still teach you how to do this, even though you already got the answers, because I want you to know this stuff, so you don't have to ask in the future, even though there's nothing wrong with asking. But anyways, let me show you how to solve these, okay? So let me get a proper text real quick. Okay, here we go. So 2x plus 5y equals negative 9, and then we have 3x minus 4y equals negative 2, okay? So this is your equations right here. All right. So we can't do this equation right now because we don't have anything to cancel something out. So we got to make one. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this one by the bottom number, the bottom x, except with a negative. So let's do negative 3. And then if that happens, this becomes negative 6x. But we have to cancel this one out as well. So what we want to do is we want to multiply this one by the top number, except keep it positive. So we multiply that by 2. So what you end up getting from this is negative 6x, sorry about that, minus 15y equals 27. And if you don't know how we got 27, a negative always times a negative equals a positive, okay? So on the bottom we get 6x minus 8y equals negative 4. Okay, so this is now what we have. We can get rid of this right here. Okay, actually, let me just keep this up here just so you can reference what I did. Alright, so now we have this right here. So how do we solve this? Well, now you can just do your standard adding and subtraction with this. So negative 6x plus 6x equals 0. So that gets canceled out right there. Negative 15y minus 8y equals negative 23y. And then 27 minus 4 equals 23. Okay? So now you're going to divide 23 by negative 23, and you're going to get y equals negative 1. Okay? So this is how we solve for y. Now we're going to figure out how to solve for x. So what we need to do is punch the y into the equation. One of the equations, doesn't matter which one. If you want to be sure, punch it into 2 when you check your answer. But anyways, this is how we're going to do it. So we have 2x plus 5. Now we have our y, so we put negative 1 in there, and then we put equals negative 9. Okay, so what does this equal? Sorry, let me correct that real quick. So what does this equal? Well, you still have your 2x, and then when you multiply 5 by a negative 1, you get negative 5 equals negative 9. Okay? Now, like any equation, you need to get rid of this negative 5 and just be left with the 2x. So what you do is you add 5 onto both sides, and what you end up here is 2x equals negative 4. Okay? Let me expand this a little bit more. Alright, so 2x equals negative 4. That obviously, when you divide the 2 into the negative 4, you get x equals negative 2. Okay? So this is how you solve for x now. Okay? So when you actually put the 2 into the equation, 2 negative 2 plus 5 negative 1 equals negative 9, and you solve it out, you get negative 4 plus negative 5 equals negative 9. And when you obviously add them together, you get negative 9 equals negative 9. So that's pretty much just the easy way to solve it, and I hope this helped you out and you can figure this stuff out for yourself in the future if you watch this video, and I hope it gave you a better insight. So thanks for watching, and I hope I helped you out, man.